my analysis, what I use Gann square for is
Hmm.
ideally there were two charts Gann used, square of 9 and hexagon chart. So I combine this not for prices, I combine it for astrology actually. Why the upcoming days, people assume this is just a chart, but for me, what I look at it is as this is if you look at a pyramid from top, okay, right? If you look at a pyramid
Yes.
from top, this is the top of the pyramid, right? Different sides of the pyramid from here.
Yeah.
Right. So my analysis is, suppose upcoming important date is your 16th, where the Jupiter and Saturn are making a big angle there. So that longitude and latitude, if you combine the position of the planet at 37, is the Jupiter level, okay? Position here.
Okay.
So instead of taking 1 as the point, we'll take center as 37.
Okay.
Right. And then if you extend the angle, it comes exactly at 337. This is a 60-degree angle which is making. There is a combination, planetary combination, which the planets are making. Same thing, there is something called, what I found out, there's something called the mirror. Right? Something called a mirror. So what, how can I explain a mirror is, if you put a candle in front of someone, if you put a candle in front of any object, right? The person standing will have two shadows, right? One starting at this point and the other one will be somewhere far away. That will be the end of the shadow, right?
Okay.
So I call this the mirror or the shadow point. So anything like a coin has two sides, again, one point in space will have exact opposite side. So if this angle here, so by theory, as per theory, your high and low of the day should form on one of these points, the 205, 267, 367. But all these points are not available on Nifty. If you extend that, if you put two zeros in front of 206, it will be 20,600. So obviously we are not there. So same thing on the opposite side. If you take on the opposite side, we get 139 and 189. So we are close to 189. We can't take exact 189. We can take 188 to 1900, this zone, approximately on that time.
Correct.
All right. So you just add two zeros, it will be 1800, 18,800 to 18,900 or 19,000. So 18,850 or 950, like that, approximately in that time zone. So on that date, that is your 16th, when this angle is forming, that day, some high or a low should, whatever, it should react from this number here.
Okay.
So we are currently, we are 18,000 some 600 level, right? So that's 200 points from here. So that is how I use the square of 9 for. Okay, let's then.
Yeah, of course.
Let's
join from the other computer.
Yeah, sure. Anyone else has any? Yeah.
Sridhar, sorry.
Sure.
How did you arrive at this 37 as the center number?
Okay.
I just missed that one particular piece.
So center point, when there are outer planets and inner planets, right? So assuming this is not a chart for numbers, this is a planetary chart. Okay. Then, so what historically people say is Gann hid all the secrets. So something called natural dates, right? Let's just take an example, natural date. There's nothing in any mathematics or, or in geometry, whatever field you want to take it, physics, astro science, whatever. There's something called natural. The date is a date. Today is 6th, it's a date. Tomorrow is 7th, it's a date. What is a natural date? So what he meant by a natural date is heavens, right? The nature, something related to the nature. So the cosmic bodies, planets, when they make a certain angle and some price reaction comes from the chart, he has named that as a natural date. Right? This is again an interpretation of his work, Gann's work. So 37 is a date of Jupiter position on 16. Jupiter's position is at 37. You have to convert the position of the planet. Suppose it's in Taurus, it's in Gemini, it's in which zodiac, with the degreecal conversion, you convert it, then you come to a conclusion of 37. How it's done, maybe we'll discuss it some other time. It's very complicated and I don't want to give it away, in the public domain so fast, so free because, right? That is worth millions of rupees and dollars, whatever. Anyway, so the position of the outer planets, you take that, try to draw 60 degrees, 70 degrees, whatever degree it's making with the other planet. Locate the other planet where it is. It should fall exactly on that point. And the lines according to it is your support and resistance for that day. So if our price is near, imagine we are near 20,000 or 26,000. There is a number exactly falling on that at 267. So 267, add 2 zeros, 26,700. That will be a higher low of that day, right? So all these are irrelevant for a normal trader to make money in the market, but this is all interesting. So people, today is Gann's birthday, so we thought we'll just quickly discuss for all the people who are interested in this.
Sure.
Yeah. So we'll continue our session. We'll kindly rejoin the link.
Sure.
No,
The
if
same
you
link, or
rejoin
some
there,
other-
is it possible to share my screen if you
Yeah.
create also?
You
Okay.
can share it, no problem.
Okay, okay.
Same link or some other link you are going to share?
Same link, same link. Use the same link to rejoin.
Like after like 10 minutes, now like 9:33.
You can join immediately.
9:35.
Join immediately. It's not a problem.
Okay.